Hello guys, welcome back to the Mexican Food Channel. In today's video, we're sharing this super easy way to make frijoles charros. Let's gather our ingredients. For this recipe, you will need 12 ounces of bacon, 7.4 ounces of sausage, 16 ounces of ham, 1 white onion, 3 serrano peppers, 2 garlic cloves, salt and pepper, a bunch of cilantro, and a pound of pinto beans. Wash and place your beans submerged underwater inside of a pot. Cover and let it sit for 2 hours. After 2 hours, your beans should look like this. They are now ready to be cooked. Put them to cook at medium-low for about 45 minutes. While the beans cook, we're going to get the rest of our ingredients ready. Start off by cutting the serrano peppers into finely pieces. If you don't want your beans too spicy, you can remove the seeds, but here we love it spicy. Make sure you constantly check on the beans because you will need to add water when they start to dry out. Now let's chop up the white onion. Now you're going to peel your garlic. I love using garlic because it really brings out the flavor in the beans. Go ahead and peel 2 of them, and then we're going to chop them up into small pieces. Now chop up all of your tomatoes. Be sure to cut them out finely because you don't want big chunks of your tomatoes inside of your beans. Moving on to the bacon. Before cooking it, we're going to chop them up into pieces. If you're a bacon lover, you can go ahead and add more bacon. Now we're going to cut up the salchicha. You can also add Mexican chorizo or replace the sausage for the chorizo. It all depends on how you like it. Yummy! We got the meats. Now for the ham, we're going to chop it up into small pieces. It's gonna end up looking like little squares. Trust me guys, the combination of these three meats is going to be exquisite. I just want to take a quick moment to remind you guys to like and subscribe. Let's start by cooking our ingredients. In a separate pot, you're going to add in some oil and let it warm up. Add in your white onion. Followed by the garlic. Add in your serrano peppers. Going to cook these until they're tender. Now we're cooking the meats. Start by adding your bacon. After a couple of minutes, add in your sausage. Now that the meats are already cooked, you're going to add in your ham. For the veggies, we're going to add the tomato, my pinto beans are now cooked and tender. So I'm going to add them into the meat mixture we just made. Add in all the beans, including the juice. Give this a nice little stir. Lower the heat to low, and we're going to add in the spices. Here I have some black pepper, now a pinch of salt. Be generous depending on your liking. Here I have some chicken seasoning. This one comes in a cube. Give it another mix. Make sure the chicken seasoning is dissolved. Now for the last ingredient, the cilantro. The cilantro gives the beans the best flavor, so be generous. Chop it up finely and add it into the beans. Once you add the cilantro, turn it off, give it a stir, and cover it for 15 minutes. This smells delicious. Well, this is it, you guys. Not super complicated recipe of frijoles charros. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram.